Beyonce and Jay-Z brought excitement to Trenchtown, Jamaica with a video shoot.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Hip-hop power couple Jay-Z and Beyonce transformed the normally docile day activities of Trenchtown into a Hollywood movie set on Tuesday, with the shooting of a video scene along Collismith Drive in the community, the birthplace of reggae music.
Come on, what you guys stressing too much, man.
Mama, everything out of where are
The presence of a high-level security detail made it clear to those venturing into the area the status of the individuals involved, as some of the major streets leading to the scene were blocked off with both police and private security standing guard. Security got even tighter closer to the scene, which involved Jay-Z riding a Yeng bike up Collismith Drive with wife Beyonce coolly nestled on the back in a blue sweat top that covered a short set that complemented the pink shoes she wore. The diva completed her outfit with a diva-like shades. Jay-Z was simple. The rap legend had on a sweatsuit with a kerchief wrapped around his head. While the couple was the lead, the scene also involved a number of riders behind them. The scene had many takes, with the residents of the area shouting adoringly at Beyonce. "We love you, Beyonce." Queen B and Diva Beyonce were some of the names they called her, while she waved and smiled approvingly during breaks. Jay-Z visited the community last year during a recording visit with Damian Junagong Marley.
Yeah. What's that? What's that? Jay-Z get Yeng. Don't worry yourself, my boss. We're not going to closer. We're good. Yo, Trigger. Oh, God. You know what I mean? Yeah. Sweetie. Yo, love you, baby. Love you, baby. Yeah, man, you no good, man. Don't worry yourself.
Good, yo, sweetie.
We're not violate.
Violate, man. It ain't good. I want you. I jungle this in our protect on you.
Tell them, no, man.
Protect you. Yo, my boss, I protect on you. Good enough.
Yeah, man, you're good, Jay.
Jigga, jump this, head and general. Hey. Come on, what do you?
Yo, you guys fretting too much, man. You're fretting, you're good, baby. Tell them good. We're not talking nobody, yeah. We just want.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.